Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Newton's laws are tricky when friction is involved, but we can solve this physics puzzle quickly by looking at the net force on the system. Treat both boxes as a single system with a total mass. The net force equals the applied force minus the constant kinetic friction, which determines our initial acceleration of 1 meter. When we double the applied force, the friction stays exactly the same because the mass and surface haven't changed. This means the net force actually more than doubles its previous value. Since the net force more than doubles while the mass stays constant, the new acceleration must be more than 2 meters per second squared. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.